Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create or set pages for Ultimate Member plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Ultimate Member plugin, and then you see Ultimate Member need to create several pages: user profile, account, registration, login, password reset, logout, member direct to function correctly. And then you see create pages button. So if you want, you can create pages auto, or if you want, you can create pages manually. So first we are going to create pages auto. So click on create button. Also you see notice the membership anyone can register option on the general setting page is enabled. So this means user can register via the standard WordPress page. If you do not want user to able to register via the page, so deactivate that option. So only registration via the Ultimate Member registration form. So you can go to page and deactivate anyone can register option. So we are in setting, and then we are in general tab, and then you see pages. So user page, login page, register page, membership page, logout, account, password reset page created, and then select. Now you see. So if you want, you can create new page like this. So you can add page name and then click on publish and back to setting, and then you see drop down. Now click on it. So you can search here and then select. So it's up to you. So you can create pages auto, or you can create pages manually, and then click on save changes. So now go to login page. So click on it. Now you see login page. Click on register. So this is our registration form. Now back to setting. So you can open member page, account page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.